Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by acting immediately. Enable your phone's built-in block and spam filter so unwanted numbers are screened automatically. Once done, register your number on the National Do Not Call list to reduce telemarketing. This helps legal enforcement. Next, install a reputable caller ID and spam app and grant the permissions it needs to detect spoofed numbers and report spam. Make sure to set app permissions to allow call detection and notifications. This creates the first layer of automated defense. Once basic protections are live, triage incoming calls actively. Block persistent offenders and enable auto-block for repeat callers to stop patterns quickly. Make sure to route unknown or private numbers to voicemail so you screen messages before interacting. This reduces risk and time wasted. Then harden app and phone settings, turn on crowdsourced spam reports, allow automatic updates, and set filtering thresholds to strict. These steps tighten detection and reduce false negatives, because aggressive filtering catches more spoofing and automated dials. Finish by verifying everything. Place a controlled test call or ask a friend to call from a block number to confirm rules apply. After confirmation, report ongoing spam incidents to your carrier and the spam app. This improves network-level blocking and community databases. Update contact rules to whitelist trusted numbers and periodically review blocked lists. If problems persist, reset filtering rules, reinstall the app, or contact carrier support for network blocks. For one troubleshooting tip, if calls bypass filters.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.